If you are struggling to come up with new content ideas, I'll show you an easy method to find 30 days of new video ideas in just under 5 minutes. I've been creating content since 2019, and this one is the fastest method I have ever used, especially because back in the day we didn't have AI to help us. For this video, we are going to use ChatGPT. But you don't go there and type directly, give me 30 video ideas about whatever your niche is. It doesn't work like that very good if you do that. There is actually a better way, and now I would like to show you that. So let me switch to my screen. Okay, so first of all, we need to tell ChatGPT what our niche is. This is important because most creators ask AI for ideas without giving any context, and that's why the output ChatGPT will give is too random or too general. To get a better output, we need to give some context to ChatGPT. You can type something like, my niche is personal finance for beginners. Please confirm you understand my niche. And once ChatGPT confirms it, then we can move to the next step. Now we will ask ChatGPT to give us 5 sub-niches. For this example, it will be personal finance. And now ChatGPT started generating something. Budgeting and money management, saving money, debt management for beginners, investing, earning more money, side hustles, and income skills are all relevant sub-niches for the personal finance. And this step is powerful because it creates some variety for your content while you are staying inside your niche. You can also create content that always targets the same specific audience. After we have our sub-niches, now for each sub-niche, we will ask ChatGPT to suggest us 6 frequently asked questions by our target audience or relevant topics. And ChatGPT quickly generated relevant questions and topics for each sub-niche. Now we have in total of 30 different questions and topics that we can cover in our videos. If you are creating, for example, short form content, every single day you can create a video and answer one of these questions and cover one of these topics. If you are not using AI for content creation, you should start doing that because it really speeds up the workflow. And this example I showed you in this video is just one of the fastest ways to use AI for content creation. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you are a beginner content creator, don't forget to follow me.